Multiple All-Ireland netball champions, Bethabara Primary School in Manchester, are celebrating their new multi-purpose court built and handed over to them by the Digicel Foundation recently. Christopher Scott reports.
Tucked away in the hills of Newport District, southern Manchester, 14 kilometers from the bustling parish capital Mandeville, Bethabara has a population of only 500 students, but given their prowess on the netball court over the years, it's hard to not take note of or even boast about their accomplishments. Cecil Hamilton is the school's principal.
Previously, we were champions from 2018, 2019, 2020. We are motivated to take back the crown as champions. This will be in honor of our past chairman, Reverend John Smith, and in recognition of the Digicel Foundation, our sponsors, and all our partners who have made this a wonderful occasion.
Crystal Plummer, a past student of Bethabara, where she was introduced to the sport, was the youngest member of last year's Sunshine Girls bronze medal team in South Africa back at Bethabara. Plummer says training on the only facility the school had was not easy. In fact, it was rough.
I think, and I know that they are grateful for it, because when I was here, honestly, we didn't have this beautiful court, as you all must know. We had something that we just draw some lines on that gave us like even ring ankles, sprained ankles, knee problems, etc. I think that the ladies will do well.
Aware of the need for young student athletes to have proper gear and safe facilities for training in order to develop their skills, Plummer welcomed the new $8.2 million facility and believes the players who benefit will over time make it to the national team. Meanwhile, it's mixed reactions for senior players Brittany Johnson and Relisha Jones. This is their last year at the school, but they are happy for those who they hope will continue the winning tradition of the school.
It means a lot to me to have my last year playing on this court. Can't wait. Because I know so we're going to beat them when we leave, because we are senior players.
It really means a lot because the new court now, you don't, like, if you fall, you don't break up yourself and you don't get bruises. But thank you to Digicel.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
All right, let's head into a break now on Primetime Sports Friday. Stay with us. We come back with more after this.